Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making this pinky look. This was inspired by the Mira Patel. She's a model and makeup artist from North Carolina, and this is her Instagram, so go follow her. She's one of my biggest inspirations. This looks really sexy. Like, damn woman. I don't know, I just feel like she's really beautiful and she has a sense of fashion. Duh, she's a model. I tried copying this look by Mira Patel right over here, and as you guys can see, this is my finished model of the look. If you guys are interested in recreating this look and Mira's look, then please keep on watching. Thank you for tuning in, and here is the tutorial. Here's the tutorial. So I'm going to be starting off with doing my eyebrows first. I'll be using the Art Obsession Morphe Brow Kit, and I'm using the color Java, which is like a dark brown. I'm using the brush and the spoof I get from the kit. Now I only have like 3 steps to do my eyebrows. All I do is I outline them. And once I've outlined them, I then go ahead and fill it all in. After that, I take the spoof and I brush the excess pomade to the front of the brow. There you have it. Now, to make sure you have applied enough pomade, you can brush your hair down and see the spots where there isn't enough pomade and apply some more. And there you have it. Bomb ass eyebrow. I'm gonna do the second eyebrow off camera. Now, to highlight and clean my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Oh Brow Baby highlighting stick. I'm gonna outline my eyebrow. And I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to blend that out. I will be using the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer by Koki. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my lid. And now I'm going to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be taking the James Charles palette. I'm going to start off by applying canvas. And we're going to take a fluffy brush like this. And now we're going to apply that all over our lid, including under our eyebrow. This will smoothen out the concealer we just applied. Now we're going to be taking pinkity drinkity. It's a very light pink. And I'm going to take the same brush I used to apply the first eyeshadow, which was canvas. We're going to apply pinkity drinkity all over our lid, just like we applied canvas. And there you have it. Fingers always work best. Now we're going to be taking Skip, which is the bright pink, with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid and a little above my crease. And I'm going to bring it also into the corner of my inner eye like this. And then drag it out. And now apply some on top of the lid. Now we're going to take a brush like this. It's a small fluffy brush. And we're going to take some more of the Skip. And we're going to apply that under our eye. Now we're going to take a fluffy brush like this and we're gonna apply some Escape. This one. We're gonna apply Escape in the corner V of our eye, just like this, and we're gonna bring it into the crease. We're gonna have to apply this a couple of times for it to really show. We're gonna move in circular motions and windshield wiper motions. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some concealer on a flat brush like this. And I'm gonna apply some of the concealer in the inner corner of my eye. Now we're gonna take Pinkity Dinkity, which was the light pink, with our finger. And I'm gonna apply it where I applied the concealer. Now I'm gonna take a tiny little fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna get some Skip, and we're gonna apply it above the Pinkity Dinkity and blend it out. I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to get some Artistry, just this sparkly purple. And I'm going to apply that kind of like an eyeliner. I'm also going to take a little bit of Escape, which is this dark purple, and apply that like an eyeliner as well. So I don't have that light pink that she uses for her inner eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go try to find a palette that has a light pink like that. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the KRD palette, and I'm going to be using the Froze. It's like a very highlighted pink. I'm going to take a tiny brush like this, and I'm going to apply that on my inner eye. Okay, after Froze, I'm going to go back to my James Charles palette, and I'm going to get this color. It's Love That. And I'm going to apply Love That on my crease. And now I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to clean everything that I don't want. And the eyeliner today I will be using is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And we're going to make a short wing. Okay, next we're going to be taking the Beauty Evolved black eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that on my upper waterline. Okay, then I'm going to apply some eyeliner on the bottom, but only where I have the purple. I'm going to be using the Shidi Shangyeon something lashes. They look like this. I do not know how to pronounce that, so I'm gonna be now applying the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now moving on to my face makeup, I'm gonna start off by applying my moisturizer, the Olay Regenerist. Now I'm going to be using the Tarte Poreless Primer. Now I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation. I'm going to apply that with my fingers all over my face, also on my neck. Now I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and blend that all out. Now I'm going to be taking the Kokie Professional Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. Apply that concealer under my eye, down my nose, on my forehead, some on my chin, some above my lip. I'm going to go ahead and apply some contour too. I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Shape Shifter, And I'm going to be taking the cream contour and the darkest one right here. And now we're going to apply the contour under my cheekbones, outside my nose, and under my jawline, and also above my forehead. Now we're going to take a blender and blend all of this out. Now that I've blended out all my contour, I'm going to be taking Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, some on my nose, on my forehead, under my jawline, some on my chin. And we're going to wait for that to bake. While we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do my lipstick. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Rush Lip Liner, which is this beautiful nude. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in the color Back Talk. Right now I'm going to go ahead and brush off all of this translucent powder. Now I'll be using the Afterglow highlighter, and I'm going to take a fan brush and I'm going to be using Wicked. Apply some on my nose, cheekbones, upper lip a little bit. For my blush, I'll be using the Laura Geller Highlight and Bake Brush. Here is my finished look of Mira Patel inspired look. This was her look. Man, there's so much reflection. So this is her look, and the reflection would go away. This is my look. I'm gonna try to take a picture like that and put it side by side. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go follow my Insta and Twitter. It's right over here. I post a lot of fashion outfits and more makeup looks, so go follow me on that. And thank you for coming back and seeing me. I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching me. I'm gonna be coming out with so much more shit this year. Like seriously, I'm gonna kill this. I'm gonna come out with a lot more new looks, and I'm gonna make you guys look amazing, looking like the most bomb chick there is. So yeah, bye guys.